Good morning, friends. Today's topic is post-procedure management after transradial approach. I'm sure you all know the post-procedure management after transfemoral approach. Post-procedure management after transradial approach is different. It is more convenient and more easier, not only for the cardiologist but also for the patient as well as for the supportive staff. Once the procedure is done, the major difference as compared to the femoral approach is you remove the sheath right away, immediately on table, and put a TR band or any other device which you are comfortable with. Patient just walks out of the cath lab in most of the circumstances. Patient actually does not need a prolonged, bedridden situation. In our lab, once we do the procedure for all stable patients, we are just monitoring them randomly. They are moving around here and there. They are talking to each other. I don't think in the ICCU they remember of having any bedpan or any urine pot or any something. Patient will just walk in, and walk out. They sit like this. They take their lunch, their dinner, drinking and everything. So life is extremely easy for the patients. Simultaneously, the supportive staff is also very, very happy because they have to hardly monitor the patient. Of course, what I have told you is for the stable patients. If the patient is unstable, then we manage accordingly. However, with unstable patient also, we allow them to sit in the bed. We allow them to eat while sitting rather than in the lying down condition. They are taking some sips of water or juice or no, it doesn't happen that way. So this is a very, very major difference with transradial approach in the post-procedure management as compared to the transfemoral approach. It leads to a tremendous psychological, boost to the patient. The post-procedure management and post-discharge recovery also is usually very fast. Let me tell you that I have converted myself to a hardcore radial operator after doing more than 20,000 procedures through the groin. And now I am already done with more than 25,000 procedures through the radial route. And remembering of those days and remembering of the problems happening with the patient, the supportive staff, the doctors, we have spent so many sleepless nights in serious cases, local complication, local groin complication, hematoma, all those things. In last 7 or 8 years since when we have become hardcore radial operators, I have to remember one day when I have faced all these problems. So that way the procedure has led to a major impact as far as the post-procedure management is concerned. Ultimately, friends, it leads to the future. And what is the future? I can see through it. One day, all of us are going to work and see that most of the patients are taking outpatient treatment and being discharged right away in the evening, and in the evening time most of the ICCUs will be locked. To achieve this state, you have to convert yourself to the radial operator, do more and more radial procedure, be convenient to the procedure and to the post-procedure management, and slowly we can lead the interventional cardiology, particularly the interventional coronary management, to a new direction. Thank you very much.